The thermoscientific Orbitrap Exploris MX mass detector incorporates specific technologies to deliver the performance needed for late-stage biopharma development, manufacturing, and QC. The Orbitrap Exploris MX mass detector offers full MS acquisition with a mass-to-charge range of 40 to 3,000 for peptide mapping, and up to 8,000 available for intact protein analysis and oligonucleotide monitoring with the Biopharma option. A scan rate of up to 22 Hz ensures fast acquisition, and the system has a mass resolution of up to 180,000 at a mass-to-charge of 200. With one-point mass calibration, the Orbitrap Exploris MX mass detector provides exceptional mass accuracy, utilizing the internal thermoscientific Easy IC ion source to extend the validity of full mass range calibration data without changing the source setup. It's also fully compliance-ready with thermoscientific chromelein chromatography data system control with easy-to-use predefined method templates and full MAM 2.0 integration for seamless method transfer between development and QC. At Thermo Fisher Scientific, we understand the importance of fast, reliable, accurate, and repeatable results across the full spectrum of research, development, and manufacturing operations in the context of the growing global demand for superior biotherapeutic products. Our aim is to provide an integrated, affordable, easy-to-use solution that enables faster delivery of biotherapeutics through the transferability of crucial data. We look forward to discussing your mass spectrometry and mass detection requirements and sharing more about our solutions.